So we have a Focus DPS 6 trans out of the vehicle here, and this vehicle came in and it basically, the trans wouldn't do anything. The TCM that mounts here on the outside that controls the gear position and how it learns what position it's supposed to be in. When you shut the vehicle off, this transmission needs to find neutral. So that's why when you get out of like a Fiesta or a Focus, you'll hear it chattering. It's trying to find neutral after it's been put in park. Well, these gears rotate back and forth, and if you see this one here, it's cracked off. Look at the new case half. It's there. And typically a low battery is what causes this, because they start freaking out and it can't find, so it beats back and forth on that ear right there until it shears it off. So that's why in the Fiesta and Focus it's real good. I mean in any car, but especially in those that have this type of DPS 6 trans, it's good to keep a real good battery in it, because you'll end up finding now the case half has to be replaced. And where's the little piece that was broken? And there's the little piece that breaks off of it. It's super, it's almost like pot aluminum.
Yeah, it's all.
It's got no real rigidity to it, and it's so small. And it's this part right here that will work back and forth based on TCM command to find neutral. And then he had to, because it's under ESP, you don't replace the whole trans, you just clean everything out, put everything back together with a new trans half. You gotta make sure you keep a good battery in it, because they'll like freak out and bounce on that thing and break it off. I just wanted to share that with you guys real quick. The importance of keeping a good battery in the Focus and the Fiestas is critical. Trans guy says basically whenever this happens, you'll start losing positions inside the transmission, because the solenoid trans control module doesn't know what position it is, and it tries to learn that, tries to do that self-check and neutral learn position. And he said a lot of times you'll lose reverse, or you'll go to put it in drive and it'll act like it doesn't know what it wants to do, and it'll start making all kinds of noise and chattering back and forth, because that gear assembly is trying to find its position and it can't find its position. So, and he said it all spans from just people neglecting their battery, and that trans control module needs a really good battery so it doesn't sit there and bounce back and forth as it's freaking out trying to find its neutral position. And 99.9% of the time when the vehicle comes in, it's got a shit battery in it, and that's what ends up causing this failure. Take care, guys.